Yes, so welcome to foreigner in the Philippines. We're cooking this one. So this is that wine. Lorraine brought this yesterday. So what we put some chili on it. Hope man init so butang eh. Uy, dara man good na. Yeah, and then we put coconut oil on it and some moringa. Igbutang kuan lagi na itiwas ba? Hugasi ba? Dali, labong nga pa ito na how? Oh, irot na lang. Yeah, it's high tide and it's in the evening, in the morning. And a very long low tide also. So, Lorraine and the family went to the ocean. Madara, lagi na. Babugan, naman good na. So Lorraine went here yesterday and she brought it on that shells. So we're gonna make this one. This is the moringa leaves, so just make it add on the taste. And then we got here coconut. But what we're gonna do on this is once this is okay now, once it's cooked, we take the what's inside and then we put the coconut and this one as a finished product.
Sama na yung butang dito sa CR.
Yeah, Manong Rado like to drink that.
Dagan dagdaon yung kamunggay, be? Bawa ko siya nagdaro. Hindang ka na marong kayo. Uwa na nakalang mga aliso, hindi tanong, nalakoy dagang tubo ang aliso. Hindi na lang ang tanong.
Ma, nagtanong nga ba kung ginani?
Abre, gitanong ko sa ligi.
Yeah, so we clean that first so that the skin, the soil in the skin will be out.
Arje, dapat yung tuba. Tangan mo ka na sa tubig. Dili itong katumba naman. Ano man ito?
So that's our cooking on the shell. That's Yaya over there. We separate this because she's still 5 months and they're not allowed together with Ryder, our male dog. So we're waiting for a year. Hello, Red. Hello, Red. Yeah, we only have 1 lovebirds there. We got 4 on that, which is we get 2 years ago or a year ago. But then they died, so we only have 1 bird out. Only birdie left. What?
Ayaw lagi ng mangga.
They asked for mango, but the mango is still very, very young. So Jessica don't allow them. Yeah, so I'm gonna wait until it's finished, and then I'm going to do the finished video of this cooking session here. But so far,
Tago na lang ko.
crazy.
Sige, sunod-sunod.
Siyempre, nag-video man ko. Yeah, so stay tuned